Alright, so we just picked up Cody's girlfriend's bike. She has no idea that she's getting this for a gift. Picked it up from this kid in West Point, took really good care of it. She has no idea what she's getting, but she's gonna lose it when she sees it. Awesome gift. So Cody just got here and his girlfriend's inside. He bought her a 150cc dirt bike and we're giving it to her right now. Really can see. Good idea. Just start eating up the yard. Okay. Right here, dude. Like right in the door? Yeah, fuck, right here. So we turned the bike around so she's gonna see that when she walks out. And he got her a brand new helmet. Little Fox Racing helmet. 100% goggles. You got her goggles too? Oh dude, you're getting laid. Oh, those are dope. That's yours. That's yours.
Stop.
That's yours.
Stop playing.
Yeah.
Cody.
Yeah, that's yours. Goggles, helmet, bike.
Stop. This is like a bad joke.
No?
That blue gonna be icy.
Go get the helmet, man. Go get the helmet.
I don't want to touch it.
Yeah. It's clean as shit, man.
What'd you do?
I went with my truck and we picked it up, and we had to.
How did you do this?
We avoided you. That's like the only.
5 days ago.
Yeah, it's been in my garage for 5 days. Get your helmet. Yeah, pick it up.
Bro, can I ride it? Like,
if it wasn't nighttime, sure, it's so loud.
no.
It's a race bike.
Yeah.
Can I ride it? I want to ride it now.
Put your helmet on.
Oh, stop. Bro, can I ride it now, please?
Is it fit alright?
100% goggles.
So dope. Oh,
gosh, Cody, you can start. I mean, shoot.
You like it? Yeah.
hell yes. Oh my
Sit on it real
God.
quick. There you go.
Stop.
Now
I just want to ride it.
he's got to adjust some things because the person we bought it from was a smaller guy. So, but.
This is like perfect though. I love you.
Oh, it's so cute. There you
I
go.
would give you a kiss, but.
Thank you.